Getting closer to nature. What you benefit? Now I am calling you from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is in big trouble, big trouble. In crisis, dollar crisis, food shortages, fuel shortages, great unrest. What's the answer for all this? The only answer that I felt personally, I'm Ali Zahir calling from Sri Lanka, to get close to nature, from the maddening crowd, for all these complications. Leave alone the dollar crisis in Sri Lanka or the food shortages. Look out! The other parts of the world. Are we going to face a third world war? The Ukraine crisis is getting deeper and deeper. Joe Biden sent more ammunition to Ukraine and Russia threatens to retaliate. God, what's all this? What is his life within and without? Where are we to run? Only thing is to pray to God and be close to nature. That's the only thing that one could get in this disturbing world. The world has never been a place of rest. It's a place of rest. So only means that you would get some sort of a peace of mind is go to divinity, to go to God, to your religion, and to go to nature. That's all I could say, and that's all that I have achieved in getting satisfaction and peace of mind, whether in Sri Lanka, abroad, or anywhere. Good luck, goodbye. We hope everything should be all right. The dollar crisis in Sri Lanka should come to an end, and so the world should also come at peace. Let's pray for a peaceful world for the future and a good, happy, healthy generation, healthy world for the future generation. Good luck, goodbye. Once again, it's Ali Zahir calling you from Sri Lanka.